ninjas, invincible, impossible to kill. We are ninjas, invisible, never standing still.
Sneaky spies, perfect mercenaries, just in us to deal with gross and hairy situations you can fix alone. That's why we're here, we make this world a war zone.
Been someone dead or somebody killed? Do you want your enemy's blood to be spilled? Just hire a ninja, you can be sure the job will be done, don't have to worry no more, because we ninjas.
Invincible, impossible to kill. We are ninjas, invisible, never standing still. We are ninjas.
Hey, welcome back. I bet you're now thinking, what the heck did I just watch? Welcome to my brain, I guess. If you found it entertaining or interesting, or it made you chuckle, consider following, subscribing, liking, and sharing. And if you want to see more, you can watch my last video here. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.